Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. So today I'm going to be doing a purple look. I don't know where I'm going with this. All I know is I want to do something purple today. So let's get started. First shade that I'm going to go in is I'm going to go in with this purple. And I'm just going to sweep that on my lid. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3503. I'm going to pick up this shade. I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go in with this dark purple. So I'm going to add it on the outer corner of the base of my lash line, just like this. And then I'm going to sweep it above my crease. So it's creating a V shape. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my concealer. And I'm just going to cut my crease. So now that I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to grab this purple shade. I'm just going to sweep it right on top of the cut crease. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go in with this purple. I'm just going to pack it where we laid the concealer. So what I'm doing is I'm adding it, but I'm kind of leaving like an ombre effect to where the white still shows. See how I left that gap right there? I'm going to go in with a detail brush and a little more concealer. And I'm just going to define that line just a bit. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with this shade. Add that right on top of that purple that we just laid. Alright, so now that I'm done adding that shimmery purple, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a wing. So now that I'm done with eyeshadow, I'm going to do my face. So now that I'm done with my face, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the James Charles palette. And I'm going to be picking up, let's see. I'm going to be picking up this shade. And I'm going to be sweeping that underneath my lash line. So now that I'm done with my the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with my eyelashes. Now that I'm done putting on lashes, I'm going to go in with some highlight. So I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, and the bridge of my nose. Go back in with the beauty blender and blend it into my skin. To tie this look all together, I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.